Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Amazon seller password for your account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Seller Central for Amazon. Right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened up this main page right here, you're going to go and be greeted by the home page right here from where we can get started. Now, first things first, if you're not already logged in, but you know your password, you can just go and use the login option right here. Go ahead and log in to your Amazon account that you want to change the password for. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. It's going to look like this, where we can access everything and the settings for our account. So what we're going to do is go into the settings option right here in the upper right corner. By clicking the settings option in the upper right corner, it's going to enable you to go ahead and access the security settings of your account. In the security settings, you can get started with changing your password, so you have to know your previous password to change it, and you can do so from the account directly right here. Now, what do you do if you do not even know your password and you cannot log in, you cannot remember the password, you want to reset it? Well, it's very easy. We're going to click the login button normally as well, and here in the step where we can get started logging in, you're going to go and click the need help option. Clicking need help is now going to go and show you this option to select if you have forgot your password. So click forgot your password and now get started providing the email that you use for your account. Go ahead and enter in the email that you use, and once you provide your email, you're going to go and be getting your steps in your email, how to go ahead and proceed with changing your password. So open up the link that you get to get started with inputting the new password that you want to use, and that's how you'll be able to change the password for your Amazon sellers. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So I guess thanks for watching, take care, and bye.